Hi, happy Tuesday. Good afternoon. Let's talk about soybeans. There's been a lot to talk about there as of late. Let's first talk about the thing that kind of comes to mind right now is, we just hit a 2 month high. We're seeing a little bit of retrenchment now. I think that's due to the fact that we've got a USDA report coming up, I believe Thursday. So that's going to be probably more the case going forward, getting closer and closer to the time of that release. That's going to be something you see happening a lot with these types of government releases. So just realize people are going to be kind of taking their ball and going home, or at least bringing their chips in close to their chest. So it might get a little bit more volatile, but not a ton of volatility. Just keep that in mind. Also, we talk about things that are going to get this market going, right? Could it be shorts that have to cover? Could it be Mother Nature that kind of squeezes things higher? Could it be something geopolitical, right, with China and tariffs? Well, it looks as though we're getting some help here from the U.S. dollar. It's still relatively weak, weaker than it has been. That's the case again. That's going to be something that's obviously better for our exporters. And when our dollar is weaker, it just costs our customers less money to buy things that are priced in dollars. Pretty simple, right? That's also going to help anything priced in dollars that we sell going forward. So that's another kind of an outside influence that's going to be helping us. Maybe that's keeping us from being further off today than we are, but that has been something that's been a little bit of the wind beneath the wings of soybeans as of late. Let's take kind of also a look, something kind of interesting. Well, let's just talk about July beans. The risk really is this pennant formation. We could retest the $8.34 level below. That's something that the technicians are to keep in mind. We'd also like to see a settlement if you're above 874. Those are the two numbers I'll mention today. I don't like mentioning numbers, but 834 on the bottom, 874 on the top. That's going to keep some interest buying if we do get through there. But if it's interesting, you can kind of take a look at that chart. We definitely have a pennant formation going that way. Let's kind of keep that. I'd like to keep that in mind. So July beans, that's something that is interesting. Those two numbers are going to be something we're going to watch in the short term. 834 to the bottom, 874 to the top. Keep an eye on those. And it'll give us a short-term indicator after we get, obviously, the USDA's number Thursday to see where we're going to be headed with this crop in the short term.